Today we're looking at the which is a 1/16 scale off-road racer. With its four-wheel drive, 3¼ by 1½ inch high traction tire, four-wheel suspension, and spring oil-filled shocks provides the driver with good traction in rocky and rough surfaces. Exceed RC 1/16 and 1/10 scales. The differential gears in the front and rear, ball bearings on all four wheels, giving the driver better handling and cornering control. With a rear U-joint drive shaft and powered by a RC 380 size brush motor, it provides superior durability. The 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel pistol grip radio with servo reversing, trim, dual rates and exponential adjustment, and the onboard system is waterproof. Speed is up to 20 miles per hour depending on the setting. Included is a 7.2 volt 1100 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery and charger. The car will also support the use of 2-cell LiPo batteries for drivers using LiPo. Comes in red and green. NitroRCX.com carries a complete line of spare parts to keep you in the action. Thanks for watching.